How to turn a pen on a lathe. Start with a pen kit. We are using the Executive Twist pen kit. Find a blank you like. Any color, any wood. Today we're using turquoise. Drill out the center. You have your hole. Put glue on that and put it in there. Either a 2-part epoxy, highly recommend, works really well, or a medium super glue. This is a very opaque, meaning you can't see through it, blank, so the tube can remain brass, but if it is a more clear type of one, you would need to paint the tube a specific color. These are called bushings. Bushings. One on each end. Blank goes on. Tighten it down. Turn it. Bushings tell you where to stop. I do it a little bit before that so I can sand it down the rest of the way. 150, 240, 320, 400, 600 sandpapers. And then all these go from 1500 to 12,000 from the bottom up to shine it up real good. Polish it up. And make sure you go back and forth. All shined up, ready for assembly. Assemble as instructed on your specific pen kit. You can use a pen press, you can use those vice grips, or you can use an actual vise to push everything together. Pen press is made specifically for this. It just presses the pieces in, nice and easy. And the pen is assembled. This is a twist mechanism that twists from the top. Tip comes out the bottom. Thanks for watching.